the Huawei Nova 14 Ultra, the most powerful and premium Nova yet. From a sleek new designs and stunning streamer purple finish to a blazing fast 100-watt charger in the box and HarmonyOS 5 running smoother than ever. This phone has more than just looks. And wait until you see the camera, a triple RYYB lens setup with a red peak lens and multifocal flash, ready to take your mobile photography to the next level. But is it really worth the Ultra name? Let's unbox it, explore its features, and find out what makes this phone stand out. Stick around, you won't want to miss this one. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The Huawei Nova 14 series arrives in 3 variants, Standard, Pro, and Ultra. Today we're unboxing the flagship of the lineup, the Huawei Nova 14 Ultra. Let's dive straight into the experience. As we lift the lid, it's time to witness what Huawei has packed into this sleek box. First impressions, everything here reflects the premium Ultra treatment. Huawei includes a powerful 100-watt super-fast charger, a welcome addition for those who value speed and convenience. Alongside it, you'll find the USB-C charging cable and a protective phone case, rounding out the essential accessories. Now let's take a closer look at the phone itself. We've got the stunning streamer purple variant in hand. It catches the light beautifully, but what really steals the spotlight is the redesigned star ring camera module on the back, an elegant evolution that blends art and engineering. Below that, you'll notice the classic checkered texture exclusive to the Ultra series, giving it a distinct and premium aesthetic. The transition between the back panel and the middle frame is smoothly curved, creating an ergonomic feel that's both sleek and satisfying in the hand. For someone like me with larger hands, the phone actually feels a bit smaller than expected in the best way. It's surprisingly comfortable to grip and operate. Now let's move on to the exciting part, powering up the device. With a press of the button, the Huawei Nova 14 Ultra comes to life. We're now inside the system, and I've had an early look around just for you. This model features a generous 6.81-inch display, offering an immersive viewing experience. What makes this device truly special is that it's the first flat-screen phone to come fully equipped with HarmonyOS 5, Huawei's latest and most refined operating system to date. And yes, the smoothness is impressive. Navigating through the interface feels incredibly fluid. Swiping up and down is effortless, almost like gliding. HarmonyOS 5 delivers a polished, seamless experience that's immediately noticeable. Now let's shift our focus to the camera setup, one of the main highlights of the Nova 14 Ultra. The camera module retains the iconic Nova design language, instantly recognizable. It features an ultra-wide lens, a powerful telephoto lens, and a high-performance main camera, all utilizing Huawei's RYYB sensor technology for enhanced light sensitivity. You'll also spot a distinctive red peak lens, a standout in both appearance and performance. Above and below the camera array is a multifunctional flash system designed to handle a variety of lighting conditions. With this configuration, Huawei is clearly aiming to impress with its imaging capabilities, and we can't wait to test it further. That wraps up our unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Nova 14 Ultra. For a deeper dive into its performance, camera quality, and real-world use, stay tuned for our upcoming full review. We'll see you in the next video.